Hi everybody, I'm Aastha Kalra and I'm a certified graphologist. As the lockdown has stretched, and I think that this is the best time to work on yourself and self-evaluate yourself, and here graphology plays an important role. So graphology is science of handwriting. Through your handwriting, I can easily know about your personality, your mental state and your behavior. It is the best self-realization tool, and through graphotherapy, I can help you work on those issues. So if in case you have issues like low self-esteem, maybe stress related issues, confidence related issues, you have low ambition, lack of concentration, anxiety, depression, and the list just goes on and on. Graphotherapy is like making conscious alterations in your handwriting. It is a very simple and a very effective way if one does it with a lot of persistence and honesty. You can get those desired results in your personality. So what I feel is that in case you find this concept, this science interesting, please get back to me. Follow me on my page on Instagram and Facebook. And in case you want to get your analysis done, handwriting analysis done, and you want to use this time, this free time of lockdown in the best way, I think this is the best tool where you can self-evaluate yourself, work on yourself, and come out of this lockdown as your better version. Thank you, everybody.